In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle in TradingView tutorial. By the end, you'll be able to mark zones on your chart clearly and quickly, whether you're highlighting support and resistance, consolidation areas, or target regions. First, open TradingView and go to the asset you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the time frame that matches your purpose, since your rectangle will scale with the view you're on. If needed, zoom in or out so the area you want to mark is comfortably visible. Next, look for the Patterns option on the left toolbar. Click it to open the tool list, then choose the ABCD pattern. With this tool active, you'll place points that define your shape on the chart. Start by setting the starting point. Click once at the exact corner where you want your rectangle to begin. Now click and drag diagonally toward the opposite corner to define the size and position you want. When you're happy with the area, click again to finalize the shape on the chart. If you misplace a point, don't worry, use undo or simply click away and try again. Take your time to align the rectangle with candle bodies or wicks, depending on whether you're marking a strict price zone or a more flexible area. There's another straightforward approach many traders prefer. Select the brush icon on the left toolbar to open the drawing tools. From there, click on Rectangle. With the Rectangle tool active, choose the area you want on the chart and create the rectangle by clicking once to start, dragging to the opposite corner and clicking again to set it in place. This method is especially quick for shading zones and works great for visually blocking out ranges or supply and demand areas. A few quick tips to refine your rectangles. If precision matters, zoom in before placing your points so you can snap to the exact levels you want. After placing a rectangle, you can usually adjust it by dragging its edges or corners and reposition it by dragging from the center. Consistent colors and line styles help keep your chart readable. Consider using one color for demand zones and another for supply.